Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays that can cost you quite a bit of money, guys, and waste of time as well. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series Generation E60 E61. We're talking about that 5 Series right here from year 2003 to year 2010. If you guys have an active steering, okay, and you need to find the fuses for the active steering, you may have up to 2 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap fuses, parts, tools at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money. All that will be covered. In addition, we'll talk why it's important to test fuses and relays absolutely free in this video today, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have BMW E60 E61, that generation 5 series, we'll be making a video about every possible fuse and relay. Why? To save you time and money. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your fuel pump fuse blows out. What you need to do? Okay, it takes forever to find where it's located. It's so complicated, you may have even multiple fuses, and all you have to do, come to our channel, search for it, and you'll be able to find that video, watch it, and in less than 2 minutes you replace the fuses, you're back on the road. Something else, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you guys how to fix pretty much anything, engines, transmissions. Why we do that? Because our mission to shop is to save you money, guys. We have more than 11,000 videos on our channels that can save you quite a bit of money. Now if you guys need to buy parts, tools for your BMW or any car, we'll share the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money. And if you need to buy cheap fuses, relays, anything for your BMW, links will be shared as well. So let's continue now. So what we have here specifically, guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2008 BMW, guys, 5 Series. You have up to 3 different fuse boxes in that car, and we'll be working 2 of them. The first fuse box, you go to the passenger side, open the door, then open the glove box, and behind the glove box on the back side you have, guys, one cover with 2 black turning knobs. Turn them, you remove the cover, and you get to a fuse box, okay, that's located behind the glove box, known as a glove box fuse box. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So it is super important, guys, to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case, guys, you may put the fuse back together, and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays, guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses, guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses, or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that, guys. But when disconnecting the car battery, guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000, guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here now, which fuse we need to check. If you have the active steering option, okay, on ours we didn't have that option, but we'll explain where the fuse is located. Okay, now starting in this row right here, that's fuse 1 through 9, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Fuse number 4, if you have active steering, it will be right here, fuse number 4. Then you have another fuse box. Open the trunk on your BMW 5 Series, and right here you remove the side cover, excuse me, you'll get to a fuse box. Now the fuse box, you may have 2 different kinds. That's the earlier models before the facelift, okay, right there. And which fuse we need to check here now? We're talking about fuse number 86. So coming right here, that's fuse number 86 right there. Next, okay, if you have the actually the later models, BMW 5 Series, guys, you have that kind of fuse box, okay, right there. And here you're going to come in that row of fuses. That's 85, 86, okay, talking about that 40 fuse right here that you will need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.